Hello, if you're somebody who is struggling to choose between VLSI domain or embedded domain as your career path during or after your engineering degree, then this video is to help you. So today in this video, we are going to discuss what are the job roles of VLSI engineer and embedded engineer. Also, we'll be discussing what are the skills needed to become a VLSI/embedded engineer. Lastly, I'll be giving you some suggestions so that you can make your decision easily. So first, let us see what is the job role of a VLSI engineer. VLSI is very large scale integration. VLSI engineers are people who convert the semiconductors like silicon and germanium to powerful chips like processors, controllers, CPUs, GPUs, etc. that we use in many of the systems. So very large scale integration is integrating of millions and billions of these chips onto a single substrate. So that is the job role of a VLSI engineer. Now the branches of VLSI design are physical design, RTL design, mixed signal design, DFT and verification. So that is a summary of the job role of a VLSI engineer. Now talking about embedded engineers, we have already discussed in many videos what is an embedded system. So embedded system is a standalone system that has its own hardware, its own application specific software and a real-time operating system. So it is a standalone system that can perform a single or a specific function. Now the engineers who design this type of systems are called embedded engineers. The different categories of embedded engineers are embedded hardware engineers and embedded software engineers mainly. So that is the difference between the job roles of VLSI engineer and embedded engineer. Now let us see what are the skills needed to become a VLSI engineer and a embedded engineer. What are the skills needed to become a VLSI engineer? So VLSI engineers are people who design powerful chips from semiconductor substrate. So you need to have a good understanding of core electronics fundamentals and also subjects like digital electronics, analog electronics, CMOS technology, RTL design, semiconductor theory and MOSFET operation. Also, you should be knowing about the VLSI core concepts like RTL designing, VLSI design flow, power area concepts, timing analysis, etc. Also, the knowledge of hardware description languages like VHDL, Verilog are very important, and the programming languages like C, C++ and Python. These are the most important skills that you need to become a VLSI engineer. Now, what are the skills to become an embedded engineer? I have done a detailed video on the roadmap to become an embedded engineer. I'll be connecting that video in the related video section. So go check out that video to have a proper understanding of what is the skills or what are the skills or what is the roadmap to become an embedded engineer. So how to make a decision between VLSI domain and embedded domain? If you're somebody who is really interested in digital electronics, if you are very patient with long learning, and if you really love learning, then you can select VLSI as your career path. Also, they have really high paying jobs. So you can choose embedded systems as your domain if you are looking for a faster job entry. Also, you like coding plus hardware and you like to build real products. So that is how you can choose between VLSI domain and embedded domain. Anyway, both have really wonderful job opportunities. Now it's up to you how you select or how you choose your career path between VLSI and embedded system. But do explore these core companies' official sites for job notification. A lot of opportunities is there in the VLSI domain and also in the embedded domain. Also, if you're looking for some job opportunities or career guidance in the field of electronics, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.